Welcome to the Work Truck Show. I'm Nathan, Regional Sales Manager for Knapheide Manufacturing Company. Come on in and let's take a look at our new Knapheide van equipment. So we start with a really simple concept, a concept that allows both of our dealers and our end user partners to customize the van. It'll come to you with these shelves that are actually removable if you wanted to add boxes or other accessories like our drop-down door. So just by simply removing a few screws down here, give you access to that shelf where you can see they're actually pre-drilled to add in these tracks, which will hold the different styles of boxes. Reason for that, it offers you mobility in the boxes. You can bring this into your warehouse to get them filled up with different kinds of parts. You can bring them onto the job site. We've got different kinds of boxes that we offer. These are actually L boxes that actually stack together. Again, offering a lot of mobility to bring out onto the job site. And then storing right back into place. Other things we've done on this van, we've dressed it up with a lot of different accessories. Our hooks, different utility hooks that can hook both on top of the shelves and on the end panels. Different can and bottle holders for the back of the end panels. Those same hooks can actually be used to store a little ladder. Again, if you wanted it in a different position, it could be dropped down and moved throughout anywhere on the vehicle. If you want to learn more, visit knapheide.com or one of our local sales and installation partners.